Question number 6. Let's comprehend what is given. Consider all rectangles lying in the region. So in rectangular Cartesian coordinate system, plane, all the points x comma y ordered pair, where x is from 0 greater than 0 and less than equal to pi by 2, and y is greater than equal to 0 and y is less than equal to 2 sine 2x, and having one side on x axis. तो रेक्टेंगल का एक साइड x axis पर है और इस रीजन के अंदर है. That's given. What is asked? The area of rectangle which has the maximum perimeter along all such rectangles. तो जितनी भी ऐसे रेक्टेंगल बनेंगे उसमें से मैक्सिमम पेरीमीटर का जो रेक्टेंगल है हमें उसका एरिया निकालना है. Let's analyze. So I recognize. So region in xy plane having all the points which satisfy this. तो x 0 से pi by 2 तक है, 0 से pi by 2. y 0 से बड़ा है या उसके इक्वल है and y is less than equal to 2 sine 2x. So that's a graph of 2 sine 2x. So this shaded region is the area which satisfies this. So rectangle in this region having one side on the x-axis which has the maximum perimeter among all such rectangles would have it other two vertices on the curve, here and here. So it's just using the symmetric rectangle if I form. So maximum length this side, maximum length this side, perimeter maximize कर रहे हैं, right? So by symmetry, the point should be on the y is equal to 2 sine 2x curve. So that's the shape of the rectangle here. So if I take this point as theta, the value of x, so this will be pi by 2 minus theta. So this total length is pi by 2 minus 2 theta. And this side, it will be equal to 2 sine 2 theta. So I got the two sides in terms of theta. So area will be the function of theta. So I recall if I have to find the local maximum values, if f dash a is equal to 0, means a is the critical point, and f double dash a is less than 0, then x equal to a is the point of local maximum. NCERT concept, result from the NCERT book. We will use this. Let's calculate. So perimeter 2 times a plus b, side ka length. So we got perimeter p is equal to this, and the value of theta is from 0 to pi by 4. Differentiate this, put equal to 0 to get the critical point, because 2 theta is equal to half. So 2 theta is equal to pi by 3, theta is equal to pi by 6, 0 to pi by 4 के बीच में. Now d square p upon d theta square, second order derivative, we got this. Put the values at theta equal to pi by 6, we got minus 16 root 3 upon 2 negative. As there is only one point of local maximum at theta is equal to pi by 6. There is only one local maximum p theta. This function of theta is continuous in 0 to pi by 4. So only one local maximum and continuous p in the graph would be something like this. So this will be the maximum value in this range. So p theta is maximum at theta is equal to pi by 6. Now what is the area of rectangle? At theta equal to pi by 6, we just put the values. We got pi upon 2 root 3. What are the options? Pi upon 2 root 3, option C. I got the answer, it is option C. No trick, no complication, no mystery. This is my approach. Straight, simple approach, SS approach. No trick, no complication, no mystery. My name is Shishir Sani. I'm graduate of IIT Roorkee, class of 96. IIT JEE coach since 99. Thank you. This is my approach. Straight, simple approach, SS approach. No trick, no complication, no mystery. My name is Shishir Sani. I'm graduate of IIT Roorkee, class of 96. IIT JEE coach since 99. Thank you.